Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today, the 8th of March. So the Feds came out yesterday to say that they're going to be raising interest rates more than previously expected, and that has basically broken below some structure. Get the two levels in. So firstly, it's broken the trend line, or should we say the channel. So big move down, consolidation channel breakout. So we're looking to sell off structure, and this here is the closest bit of structure we've got, and that is 105.764. If we get down to the hour, you can see pretty much going nowhere most of the day, and then this massive sell-off. So that's kind of the view I have. There's another little level here as well, which you should be paying attention to, and that would be 105.655. So we're looking to sell off this area of 105.764 or 105.655. You're looking to get the stop just above the structure, and probably for your first target would be the wise thing to do would be to take profit at this level here, and that is 105.366. Moving on to your solid Japanese yen, it's pretty much similar picture. We were expecting a break to the downside yesterday at 135.348. Didn't really materialize. When the news came out, we immediately galloped away to the upside. So if you look at that, yesterday we were below the moving averages, so we were looking for a retest of structure for a move down. In fact, on this pair we were looking for a break. We weren't looking for anything else. We were looking for it to break below here. That did not materialize. It's broken to the upside. So same kind of situation we have here. We're looking for a pullback onto structure for an opportunity to buy. And I'm going to just put two levels in. That's all you really need to focus on. Sorry, we'll probably be wise to focus on three. So there are three levels that you're looking for a pullback onto: 137.203, 137.108, or alternatively 136.920. So pull back onto that, you're looking for a long, and your move to the upside would pretty much be in the area that we're in right now. So your target area is going to be 137.870. So pretty tight stop loss, but you should have a probably about a 200-point stop loss, I think, if you get the move. Get there. Yeah, you're going to get about 120, 150 point stop loss, but your reward is going to be around 600 points. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen, obviously break in the opposite direction there. So we're looking at 162.886 right now as the closest bit of structure, and I think there is a little level just above that as well. Yeah, there is. So we'd be looking, go as far as saying that. So what we're looking for here is a retest of 163.044, and there is a little level to downside here, but I'm actually not even going to bother with that. This 163.044 is what you're looking for, and your target is pretty much where we've already targeted. So that was the range target there, which we got. Let's get to the 8 hours to see if there's another level that we can pay attention to. There is a little one just below that. There we go. A little bit up. There. So what you're looking for is a retest of 163.044, a rejection there. Get in on the action, tight stop loss, and you're looking for 162.137 as your first target. If we get through that, then you are looking at 161.760 as your next target. Just bear in mind that if you draw your trend lines in here on the 8 hour, that is a trend line test there, and it is a pin bar. So just be wary of that. Let's be wary of what you're seeing here. So you're looking for a 15-minute rejection here in order to get in on this market. Lastly, Euro British Pound. So we've got moving again. It does look like we are breaking to the upside, and there are two bits of structure that I have here. So the first one is this cup and handle, or you can even call it a head and shoulders. Obviously the neckline would be a bit higher for the head and shoulders, but that is the area of structure. And just take this level here, just put that level in as well. So that's the zone. Obviously we want to come back and test this to validate the cup and handle, and if you look at that, you can see that seems to be the best opportunity. 088972, looking for a pullback onto that, and as low as 088811. Just bear in mind that these tails in between these two levels could also offer some support. So you're looking for a pullback onto that, and then we are looking for a move to the upside. Now your first move is basically going to be the height of this mini cup and handle here. It's just there. And then from a longer term view, you're going to be looking at this bigger move here. And that would be roughly in this area here. Okay, I don't think that'll happen today, but possibly later in the week or next week. So first target for today is 089426, but I think you're going to have the opportunity at price gets to 09326 at the moment. So that's kind of my view for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.